How to extract text from a PDF document? There is no need to copy frequently and convert the document format. Use the Extract Text feature of WPS. Then we can quickly extract text from the specified page in a PDF. Take this document as an example. Click Tools. In the Edit window, choose Extract Text. In the PDF page thumbnail window, select the page that needs to be extracted text and click OK to complete the text extraction. In the recognition result, we can directly copy the result with one click and paste it into the document we need to use. We can also quickly save the extracted text as a Word document. Click Export Document. Then we can see that PDF text content is intelligently recognized as a text-only document in Word format without changing the paragraph layout of the original text. This feature is exclusive to members. You're welcome to open WPS Premium to enjoy it immediately.